Elevate your skills in remote customer service. Ever thought remote customer service can be a game changer for your career? Well, hold tight because we're about to explore it in a whole new way. Why remote customer service matters. Imagine this: solving customer issues, making them smile, and contributing to business success, all from the comfort of wherever you are. That's the magic of mastering remote customer service. Benefits of remote customer service. Imagine working from home or your favorite spot, and the best part: it opens doors to global opportunities, connecting you with customers worldwide. What you'll learn. On this course you will discover how to handle customer inquiries in a virtual world, using the latest customer service tools, and even leading remote customer service teams. It's like becoming the superhero of customer satisfaction. Certification. Earn a fully accredited certificate. Ready to get on a journey of new possibilities? Enroll in our diploma in remote customer service today. The link is in the description below. oxfordhomestudy.com, facebook.com/oxfordhomestudy, twitter.com/ohscuk.